The longest undersea tunnel in the world is Eurotunnel, also known as the Channel Tunnel. It connects England and France that runs beneath the English Channel between Folkestone in England and Calais in France. The Eurotunnel is 31.5 miles or 50.45 kilometers long, that is equivalent of 169 Eiffel Towers stacked on top of each other. 38 kilometers of the tunnel under the English Channel is at the depth of 250 feet. The construction of this tunnel was started in 1988 and completed on 6th May 1994. In the beginning, cost was estimated 5.5 billion pounds, but final cost was 9 billion pounds. Over 13,000 workers were working on this project, and unfortunately 10 workers were died during the construction. Boring machines were used to dig channel tunnel from both sides, France and England. Precast concrete segments and precast concrete blocks were used to shape and finish the tunnel walls and for the track. The construction was going on from both France and England, so the boring machines were used that followed laser beam guidance system to find right direction. After connecting to each other, England side TVM was buried under the sea and the France TVM was disassembled. The Eurotunnel is made up of three tunnels that run parallel to each other. One tunnel runs from England to France, while the other runs from France to England. Passenger and freight trains run through these two tunnels. The third tunnel is used for maintenance and as an escape route. Nearly 60,000 people cross this tunnel, including 350 trains, 4,600 trucks, and 7,300 vehicles. This tunnel generates an estimated daily profit of 1.3 million euros or about 12 crore Indian rupees.